Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the AK-47 and confirming you have armor and a flash or smoke ready. This matters because the rifle demands confidence at mid-range. Once done, set your crosshair and sensitivity so you can land the first 1 or 2 bullets on the head reliably and practice recoil pulses. Move to angles where you can pre-aim head level. This reduces spray time and increases first shot kill chances. Practice short, controlled bursts rather than full strings immediately. At the core of the AK-47 use is recoil control and smart positioning, so you should focus on 3 to 5 round bursts at 15 to 25 meters because that's where damage and accuracy balance best. Make sure you counter-strafe, stop moving before each shot to maintain accuracy, and use shoulder peaks or jiggle spots to bait enemy fire. Also, change angles between fights, moving to slightly different cover forces enemies to re-aim, which gives you the tempo advantage and why movement discipline wins trades. To finish engagements, commit to shots only when you have angle control or a flash to deny vision, because the AK's high damage rewards decisive peaks. Once done, use Molotovs or flashes to force opponents into predictable spaces and clear common corners methodically. If your spray pattern becomes inconsistent or you miss headshots repeatedly, switch back to single taps or short bursts and reposition. This troubleshooting step resets aim discipline and reduces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.